Meet VigiControl. This robust guard tour system is meticulously designed to provide a complete view of your security guard's activities and operations. Imagine a tool that not only ensures the safety of your team, but also empowers your control room with instant alerts for emergencies, man-down situations, or any deviation from designated patrol rounds. VigiControl is your partner in fostering accountability among your guards, cutting down supervision costs, mitigating the risk of potential legal challenges, and guaranteeing your clients the highest level of service. This system comprises two key components: the module within SoftGuard's desktop security suite, designed for your control room, and the mobile application compatible with any Android 8 or newer device. Now let's take a closer look at these two integral elements.